Hello WABAM U. Today we're going to talk about Vivid, our interior cleaner. This is great to bring back your interior to the OEM look. It is a dust repellent and it can be used to clean up light stains in carpet, seats, anything like that. It is great for leather, vinyl, plastic, your headliner, dash, touchscreens, safe on touchscreens and glass. All you do is spray and wipe. If there's a little stain, a little agitation, and that's going to bring back your factory look to any of your leather, vinyl, or plastic. WABAM Vivid.